Aloha, this is Don Harris with DTTV coming to you live. Well, I guess it's not live since I'm taping this, but coming to you from Ho'okipa on the north shore of Maui. Big waves are in town, and I thought I'd come out here and give you all a look. They've actually closed down Ho'okipa and also Baldwin Beach and some of the other north shore beaches due to the big waves. And it's definitely the biggest that I've seen here. So as we come up here, you'll get to see what's going on. Wow, these are big. No surfers out here. I bet they're dying. Wish they could. A lot of whitewater in Ho'okipa today. We'll start out here and we'll go down a little bit further. Out here when we get out to the point, have a better view of what's going on. These are definitely big waves. I'm guessing 30 feet. Hopefully my windscreen on my mic is stopping the wind. Here we go. Of course, without any surfers out there, it's hard to get perspective, but standing here, these are definitely big waves. See this one barreling in. So we were not getting waves like this the other day. Yesterday on Kapalua side. Definitely bigger waves here. Looks like there's actually a small wave runner or boat out there beyond the waves. Alright, well that was your big wave surf update for DTTV on, what is today? I think it's the 18th or 19th. Can't remember when you moved to Maui. Kind of start forgetting about what day of the week it is. But hope you all are having a great day. Know that we are safe here in Maui, but there are some big waves. Aloha y'all and a hui ho.